Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening TikTok and creating or uploading your clip. Once done, trim to the exact segment where speech should occur. Add a text overlay and type the words you want spoken. This is crucial because TTS reads overlays, not captions. Make sure punctuation and line breaks reflect natural pauses. Commas and periods affect timing. After placing the text, tap it to reveal style and timing controls so you can align speech with on-screen action before moving to voice selection. Next, select your text overlay and pick text-to-speech from the menu. TikTok will list available voices. Preview each voice and listen for pronunciation and cadence so you can choose one that matches your tone. If a word sounds odd, edit the text. Shorter phrases and natural punctuation improve clarity. Use the timing handles to move the text layer so the spoken lines start and stop exactly when visuals change. Repeat previews until voice and action feel tightly synchronized. Finally, play the full preview and confirm speech matches visuals. Once satisfied, set cover, add captions or hashtags, and publish or save as a draft. If TTS doesn't appear or sounds wrong, force close and reopen the app, update TikTok, or clear cache and try again. Also try recreating the text layer with simplified punctuation or splitting long lines into separate overlays for precise timing. If a voice mispronounces a word, rephrase or use phonetic spelling sparingly to guide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.